Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable vertical split in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to help you customize your Gmail interface for a more efficient email management experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Under the Settings menu, locate and click on Toggle Split Pane Mode. This option allows you to split your Gmail interface into two panes for better multitasking. Step 3. From the available options, select Vertical Split to enable the desired split view. By following these quick steps, you can easily enable vertical split in Gmail on your PC. This feature allows you to view your email list and the selected emails side by side, making it easier to navigate and manage your inbox efficiently. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy a personalized and productive email experience with Gmail's vertical split feature.